What is your target this year as candidates? An A. Yes. It should be realistic. Yes, it should be realistic, isn't it?
Yes.
But we say that when you set targets, you set a target, a higher target, isn't it?
Yes.
You aim at the sun, and then you fall at the moon. Have you ever heard of that?
Yes.
For candidates, we should be very happy, and I'm kindly asking you to work very hard so that your future may be better and better, isn't it? But discipline is very important. Isn't it? Discipline is very
important.
Very important. Kwa hivyo huwa naambia kila wakati kwamba elimu ya shule ni elimu, lakini kuna mtihani wa maisha, ndio? Mtihani wa maisha unapopita unakuwa sawa, isn't it? Yes. So I want us to embark on what we were doing yesterday. We were looking at our third topic, isn't it?
Yes.
Which topic is that?
Contact between East Africa and outside the world.
And we are looking at the KCSE questions and they were structured, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, so how many questions have we